Dostin. Welcome back to AM Autos, your ultimate destination for car and SUV reviews that are honest, entertaining, and full of surprises. Today, we have something iconic, rugged, and reborn, the 2025 Tata Sumo Victa 9-seater. Yes, the legend is back with a bang, and trust me, it's not just nostalgia, it's a serious contender in the modern SUV market. So stay tuned till the end, kyunki aaj ke video mine ek badi surprise aapka intezar kar rahi hai. For decades, the Tata Sumo ruled the roads of India and beyond, known for its durability and tough presence. And now, in 2025, the Sumo Victa returns, but this time with modern engineering, fresh design, and a lot more comfort. Tata Motors has clearly taken the DNA of the original Sumo and evolved it for the demands of today's family and commercial buyers alike. The first thing you notice? That bold and muscular stance. The new Sumo Victa looks like a proper SUV, not just a people carrier. With its sharp front grille, LED DRLs, raised bonnet, and squared-off silhouette, it screams power and practicality. The high ground clearance and wide stance make it ready for both village roads and urban jungles. Interior and space, made for 9. Step inside, and you'll be surprised, the 2025 Victa is not just rugged outside, but refined and roomy inside. This 9-seater is made for large families and travel operators. The new model boasts better quality materials, rear AC vents, mobile charging ports for all rows, and even touchscreen infotainment with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Yes, this Sumo is smart too. Performance and mileage. Under the hood, Tata has blessed the Victa with a 2.2-liter turbo diesel engine, delivering around 130 bhp and 300 Nm torque, powerful enough to carry 9 passengers and more. It's mated to a 6-speed manual gearbox and even offers eco and power driving modes. Mileage. Expect around 15 to 16 kmpl, which is quite decent for its size and category. Safety and features. When it comes to safety, Tata has not cut corners. You get dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, seat belt reminders, and even hill hold assist on higher variants. Tata has ensured that this vehicle meets Bharat NCAP norms, making it safer than ever before. Who should buy the 2025 Sumo Victa? If you're someone looking for a strong, reliable, and spacious SUV for family use, travel business, or even government commercial contracts, the Sumo Victa fits the bill perfectly. It's ideal for hilly terrains, rural roads, and city traffic alike. Plus, maintenance is easy, and resale value. You know how trusted the Sumo brand already is. A flat bot jiska intezarda, AM Autos K Dostin K Liye Ek cause surprise. Tata Motors is planning to launch a 4x4 variant of the Sumo Victa in limited numbers. Yes, an off-road capable, 9-seater SUV that will shake the rural and off-roading market. Imagine a Sumo that can go anywhere, snow, sand, or slush. And guess what? We at AM Autos will be the first to review that version once it drops. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Dostin, you won't want to miss that beast in action. Outro. Like, share and subscribe. Agar apko video pasand aaya ho, to like karo, share karo, and don't forget to subscribe to AM Autos for more such exciting reviews, honest breakdowns, and surprise reveals. Milt Hain next video mine, tab talk k liye, keep driving, keep exploring.